Good morning students. In previous class we have observed the relative lowering of vapor pressure problems and three more problems I am going to explain you today. So see here, the vapor pressure of a pure solution is means 4% solution of non-volatile solute. So what happens? 4% he has given and he has given in 74.50 centimeters. So in centimeters he has given. So what we have to calculate here? Molecular weight of the solute we have to calculate. Now let us see vapor pressure of solution means PS. How much he has given? 74.50 centimeter. Okay, now vapor pressure of solvent means P naught is equals to 76.0 centimeter. How we have got this one? I will say P naught 76.0 centimeter. Now if you take vapor pressure of H2O at 373 Kelvin is equals to 76 centimeter. So at 373 Kelvin the vapor pressure of H2O, it is a constant value for H2O. So that is the value we have written here. Now what is the weight he has given for solute? 4 grams. Weight of solute, that is A, is equals to 4 grams. And what is the weight of this solvent? Here 4% given, 4 grams. For H2O solvent will be the 100 grams. Why? Because solution is 4% solution, 4 into 100. So 4 will be the solute, and since in question we have given, they have given says solution is 4%, means what here? 4 grams consists of solute and 100 grams consists of solvent here. Okay, so then gram molecular weight of solvent means H2O, that is W, is equals to how much? 18 grams. Why? Because 2 plus 16, 18. So what he has to do, told to calculate the solute, means we have to calculate M here. So what is the formula? P naught minus PS by P naught is equals to A by M into W by B. M we have to calculate here. So this is we have to calculate here. So what is P naught minus PS here? 76 minus 74.50 by 76 is equals to 4 by M into 18 by 100. So you will be getting M is equals to 4 into 18 into 76 divided by 76 minus 74.50 into 100. So you will be getting value, molecular weight of solute will be 36.48 grams. See, once again I am explaining the question how he has given. The vapor pressure of a 4% of non-volatile solute in H2O at 373 K is 74.50 centimeter. Calculate the molecular weight of solute, he told. So generally vapor pressure of solution PS he has given 74.50 centimeter and P naught 76. How we got means here vapor pressure of H2O at 373 Kelvin 76. Okay, so this value we have written here. Now weight of the solute A he has given 4%. 4% means what here? Non-volatile solute consists of 4 grams and percent he has given a remaining 100 grams percent means 100 grams consists of solvent. Now gram molecular weight of solvent H2O will be 18. Why? Because 2 plus 16, 18 grams. What he told you to calculate? Solute molecular weight. So when substituting this one in Raoult's law formula, according to Raoult's law, So by doing this calculation, we are getting solute is equals to 36.48 grams. The weight of the solute, gram molecular weight of solute, M is equals to 36.48 grams. Okay, now let us see the next question. What is the vapor pressure of a 3m solution at 23 degrees centigrade? Vapor pressure of H2O at 23 degrees centigrade is 19 mm Hg. So he has given what here, number of moles of solute he has given, that is 3. Okay, means we are having one more formula also. Here we have to calculate the vapor pressure of a solution. Vapor pressure of a solution at 23 degrees. So here let us see number of moles of solute is equals to 3, that is NS. Okay, I'll say the formula. So number of moles of solute is equals to 3 he has given, that is NS, and weight of water, how much? 1000 grams. That is B grams. Okay, so now number of moles of water will be thousand by 18, weight by gram molecular weight. So this one will be the N naught. So how we have got means 1000 grams. So generally volume of this solution I am taking 1000 grams solution. Okay, so in 1000 grams I am taking weight of the water. So here according to Raoult's law, what is the formula? By calculating this we are going to that 55.55. So P naught minus PS by P naught, starting I have told you NS by N naught in dilute solutions. Okay, so that one only we will be writing A by M into W by B for dilute solutions. This one for dilute solutions. If you see the derivation of Raoult's law, I have explained you this formula. So what is the P naught he has given? P naught is equals to 19.8 he has given already. So we have to find PS here, means PS by 19.8 is equal, what is the NS? We have got 3 by 55.55. So to calculate PS is equals to 19.80 minus 3 into 19.80 divided by 55.55. So you will be getting 19.80 into 52.55, 55.55. So by calculating this 18.73 mm Hg, means the pure vapor pressure of the solution is 18.73 mm Hg. See here what he has given. What is the vapor pressure of a 3m solution at 23 degrees? So we have to calculate PS here. So he has given number of moles. Vapor pressure of H2 at 23 degrees is 19.8 mm Hg. P naught value he has given. So number of moles of solute, how much he has given? NS is equals to 3. So weight of the H2O. Generally weight of H2O, we have to find gram molecular weight, that is 18. So we are taking weight, how much, means we are assuming that volume of the solution will be 1000 grams. That's why I have taken 1000 grams. That will be the B grams. Okay. So now what is the formula of number of moles? Weight by gram molecular weight. So weight will be 1000, gram molecular weight will be 18. So by calculating this 55.55 is the N naught, means NS we got, N naught we got. So P naught value he has given 19.8. According to Raoult's law, in a dilute solutions, what is the value? So why? Because NS is very small than N naught. So we are neglecting NS now. So we are getting formula this one, NS by N naught. So by substituting these values here, 3 by 55.55. So PS is equals to this one we are getting 18.73 mm Hg. So this is about the next problem. So next, going to next problem. See the question. So here, vapor pressure of pure water at 298 K is 23.8 mm Hg. Means what he has given, pure water. Solvent he has given. Means P naught value he has given. Pure water. So weight of the water, how much he has given? That is 850 grams. And weight of the urea he has given 50 grams. And molecular weight of water 18 grams. If we calculate urea, we will be getting 60 grams like that. So let us see the formula now. P naught value, how much he has given? 298. So what he had to calculate? Vapor pressure of solution, and it's related to lowering of vapor pressure. We don't know the PS. Okay. So what is the A he has given? 850 grams. Okay. B he has given 50. Sorry, this is the B. This is the A. Okay, A. So now this is the whole solute, weight of the solute. This is the weight of the solvent. Now coming to molecular weight of solute, that is H2O. How much? NH2CO, NH2. Means what? 2 molecules, 2 into 14 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 into 16 plus 1 into 12. Means by seeing this formula, urea, by calculating we are getting total 60 grams per mole. Coming to water, how much? That is W here. So M, this one. Now coming to here, gram molecular weight of H2O, how much? 18 grams. Why? Because 2 plus 16. So how much we are getting? W is equals to 18 grams. Now we substitute this one in formula. P naught minus PS by P naught is equals to A by M into B, W by B. So what you are getting? 23.8 minus PS by 23.8 is equals to, so what is the value? 50 by 60 into 18 by 850. So by calculating this, PS is equals to, you will be getting 23.4 mm of Hg. Okay. So what we told to calculate here? Vapor pressure of solution, and it's related to lowering pressure also. Related to lowering of vapor pressure means what here? Related to lowering of vapor pressure is P naught minus PS by P naught. So P naught value how much? 23.8 minus 23.4 by 23.8. So how much you will be getting? 0.0176. So this is the RLVP, related to lowering of vapor pressure. See here in the question what he has asked, he has given P naught value, A value, B value, and he told us to calculate the PS and related to lowering of vapor pressure. P naught I have written here 23.8. So B value he has given water 850, solvent, solute he has given 50 grams. So molecular weight of H2O will be 18 grams, molecular weight of urea will be 60 grams. So by substituting this one in Raoult's law formula, so by PS we have to calculate solution. So PS is equals to 23.4 mm of Hg. So by calculating this all, by doing calculation and solving this all, we are getting 23.4. Now he told us to calculate the relative lowering of vapor pressure also. What is the definition of relative lowering of vapor pressure? The ratio of the lowering of vapor pressure to the vapor pressure of pure solvent. That one we call it as relative lowering of vapor pressure. Means PS value we have to substitute here. Already they have given in the question P naught value. So by substituting these values, we are getting the 0.0176. This is the relative lowering of vapor pressure. Okay, thank you.